Hello friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. My name is Naghma and today we are going to learn Profit and Loss Appropriation Account for class 12 student, and it comes from Accounting for Partnership Basic Concept. So, meaning of profit and loss appropriation account is a special account that a firm prepares to show the distribution of profit or losses among the partners or partners' capital account. So, whatever it comes, the profit, it will be transferred to their partner's capital account or current account. So, let's check out the format of profit and loss appropriation account. As you can see, all the expenses of a firm will be debited, like interest on partner's capital, partner's salary, partner commission. So it is debited, and profit and loss, the net profit will be credited, and along with that interest on partner's drawing is credited. तो interest on partner drawing है income कंपनी के लिए, और वही salary, commission, ये सब क्या होता है, expense है कंपनी के लिए. So based on that, we will calculate the profit which will be transferred to partner capital account. Amit, Babu, Charu set up a partnership firm on April 1, 2015. They contributed rupees 50,000, 40,000, 30,000 respectively as their capital and agreed to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. By that you can calculate 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6 while calculating the profit. Okay. Amit is to be paid a salary of rupees 1,000. Babu is eligible for commission 5,000 and interest to be allowed on capital 6%. So the drawing of Amit 6,000, Babu 4,000 and Charu 2,000, to which interest on drawing of rupees 270 was charged on Amit, 180 on Babu and drawing 90. So the profit was 35,006. Net profit was 35,660. So let's prepare the profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profit among the partners. So based on the question, we'll write format wise, we will write it. By that we'll get the answer easily. Here what is the difference between partners capital account and profit and loss appropriation account? तो profit and loss में जो है partners capital में जो चीज़ हमने डेबिट किया था वो यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में आएगा, और पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में जो चीज़ हमने डेबिट किया था वो यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में आएगा, और उनके इसमें जो क्रेडिट किया था वो यहाँ पे डेबिट में आएगा. वाई बिकॉज सैलरी पार्टनर के लिए इनकम है, वही फर्म के लिए, बिजनेस के लिए एक्सपेंस है. ओके. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कंपनी के लिए, फर्म के लिए एक्सपेंस है, वही पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के लिए एक इनकम है. एंड सिमिलरली interest on drawing, which is an expense for the partner's capital, for the partner's capital account, which is the income to the company. So are you able to understand? So that is the difference. जो चीज़ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में जो चीज़ हमने डेबिट की वो हमारे लिए क्रेडिट है, और उनके अकाउंट में जो चीज़ें हमने क्रेडिट किया वो हमारे लिए डेबिट है. यानी कि कंपनी के लिए इनकम और एक्सपेंसेस मैटर्स इन एन डिफरेंट मैनर. तो सैलरी डेबिटेड, कमीशन डेबिटेड, एंड interest on capital will be debited. Interest on drawing is the income to the company to which it will be credited along with the net profit. So let's start. So the net profit of the year 2015 is 35,660. 35,660. Okay, and according to the question, they contributed their capital respectively as their and agreed to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Amit to be paid a salary. So first of all we'll write salary. Amit salary. Why salary is debited here? Because it is a expense to the firm, partnership firm. And Babu is eligible for commission. Babu's commission, how much? 5,000. Interest on capital. Interest on capital is a expense to the firm and income to the partner's capital account. Interest on capital. So they agreed according to the interest on capital is to be allowed 6%. Okay. So 50,000 into 6. Amit 6 by 100, we get 3,000, and Babu has contributed capital of 40,000 into 6 by 100, will get 2,400, and Charu has contributed 30,000 into 6 by 100. How much do we get? 0, 0, 6 3s are 18. So we'll calculate it. How much do we get? 0, 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7,200 is the interest on capital. So here after that question, yes, we have completed salary, we have completed commission, we have completed interest on drawing, I mean to say interest on capital. Now, the drawing of the year were rupees 6,000, 4,000 and Charu 2,000. Interest on drawing rupees 270 charged on Amit, drawing 180 on Babu and drawing of rupees 90 on Charu. So, interest on drawing will be credited, as I said to you earlier. Why? Because it is an income to the business. Interest on drawing. So how much? Amit's 270, Babu 180, Charu 90. Added together, how much do we get? 540. Okay. So let's add it together. How much do we get? Any left? Have we left any? No. So the question is completed. Yes, we have almost done our based on the format. Okay, we have completed. So here we get 36,200. Yes, 36,200. The same will write down here. 36,200, but 36,000 minus 17,000 minus 7,200, we get a credit balance of 12,000 rupees to share of profit to be transferred to partners capital account. So, Amit 12,000 into the ratio is 3 divided by 6 is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are. So, 6,000. Babu, how much? 12,000 into ratio 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. 4,000. And C, Charu 12,000 into 1 by 6. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 2,000. 10, 12. Yes, correct. So by that we have completed our profit and loss appropriation account. This is one method. In the coming video you will see the other method, that is profit and loss appropriation in a guarantee method. Okay, do subscribe to my channel for the latest coming videos which will be really beneficial for you for your class 12th syllabus and overall subject. I'll be uploading the videos. So that is it. Thank you very much.